Welcome to Prescriptive Selling. My name is Nicole Gallup, and in this course, we're going to talk about trial closing. This skill is about how to methodically get your client into a buyer's mindset while also supporting them on making decisions along the way. Typically, what we see happen is one of two things. One, a salesperson will get finished pitching their product or service and ask for the sale right away.
So, that's what our product does. Would you like to purchase this today?
No thank you.
Oh, come on, why not?
Alternatively, a salesperson will get to the end of their pitch and they'll be afraid to ask for the deal, so instead they just keep talking and rambling.
So, that's what our product does. Anyways, I really like this product. Typically, our clients are very satisfied and comes at a good price.
So why aren't you asking me for the sale?
Oh, I didn't know if you'd like it or not, and I was afraid you might say no.
Do you ever find yourself in these types of situations? Either way you cut it, we didn't land the deal. So, you need to ask for the deal. My goal in this course is to make sure you never ask for the deal until you know with confidence that that answer is going to be yes. So to accomplish that, we're going to talk about what is trial closing, and then what are some methods that we can use to move towards that yes. Trial closing is all about asking really good questions and validating so that you can assess where they're at on this buyer's journey. Trial closing is checking in along the way so you know exactly where you stand at any moment. Think of it kind of like a temperature check.
So that's my favorite part about these widgets. Do you mind?
Well,
So, can you see your team using this product?
well, my concern.
Sorry, I didn't get a good reading. You say that again?
Now, of course, you're not going to shove a thermometer in your client's mouth, or at least I hope not. But you do want to think of it as a temperature check. Are they cold or are they hot? You can kind of read the client's engagement as either ice cold, lukewarm, or boiling hot. So here's what you do. If they're cold, you need to ask another question because you missed the mark somehow. But if they're warm, you need to strengthen your story and really slow down to connect how your solution is going to help them with their pain point. But if they're hot, it's time to go for it. Go ask for the deal.
Honestly, I'm really not that interested.
Quick question. What are your customers most frustrated about when it comes to the pain points you mentioned earlier?
Taking the temperature is important so that you can partner with them on where they're at on that buyer's journey instead of them feeling forced somewhere they're not ready to go. So, what do you do if your client's as cold as ice?